English Senior.
Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say for the information of the young men and women who are assembled here that this association has been in existence for more than 40 years and eminent persons in different walks of life have delivered their speeches on various subjects. During my college days, my friends and myself used to attend regularly the meetings arranged here from time to time and have been greatly benefited by the speeches and discussions. It gives me very great pleasure to take part in the seminar on the man and his duty to the society and to say a few words on this occasion. At the outset, I thank the organizers of the Citizens Association for giving me the opportunity to preside over the meeting. I must say in particular that the speeches made by the national leaders who were in the forefront of the freedom struggle were very inspiring and a number of young men and women were attracted to the freedom movement. I am glad that this association has been containing its useful work in shaping the public opinion and educating the people on matters of importance to the society. With regard to the subject for discussion today, I would request the speakers to explain in detail as to how far our people have discharged their duties for the welfare of the society in the past and what they should do in the future. This was possible on account of the correct lead given by Mahatma Gandhi to fight for the country's cause in a non-violent manner. Under the able guidance of the father of the nation, leaders like Pandit Nehru traveled throughout the country and mobilized the support of the people. It is a matter for satisfaction that even today our country under the leadership of our Prime Minister is giving its support to the freedom movement of some other countries also. While we are happy about the achievements in the past, I am sorry to say that the spirit of unity among the people that was witnessed during the freedom struggle is not to be seen in recent years in some parts of the country. As far as I am concerned, as one who has taken a leading part in the freedom movement and also as one who has held positions of power in the state and central government, I can say without any doubt that our people and the leaders have done very well when compared to many other countries in the world. The people at that time thought or that the primary duty to the society was for them to fight for independence. The present generation must be proud of the great sacrifices made by our leaders and the sense of patriotism shown by our people to liberate our motherland from foreign domination. It should be remembered that the whole nation stood as one irrespective of different religions and languages and fought against the foreign power. Of course, steps are taken by the government to redress the grievances of the people in such areas. However, I would like to appeal to those in charge of running the governments in the states and in the center and also the people to make every effort to solve the problems with a spirit of understanding and sympathy in order to preserve the unity and integrity of the country, whether it is in the matter of sharing the river waters or in the matter of border disputes or in the matter of language. we should try to solve them in a realistic manner. Letter dated 5th May 1980 from the manager Mrs. Simpson and Company, Madras, to Mrs. Sivam and Company, Bazaar Road, Karur. We would like to assure you at the outset that our grinders are the best in the market both in regard to service and durability, and therefore we have no doubt that these will be sold in large numbers in your area. However, we wish to highlight some of the salient features of our product. We are in receipt of your letter of the first instant in response to our advertisement in the newspapers calling for agents to sell our wet grinders. One of the important features to our grinder is that it is fitted with a special type of motor that has been designed and tested to give the best performance. The advantage of this motor is that consumption of electricity will be less when compared to some other makes. Another welcome feature about our grinder is that good quality granite is used for making the grinding stones. Apart from the above aspects, the basin is made of stainless steel which prevents formation of rust. These grinders are produced in attractive colors and in various capacities. A copy of the terms and conditions for appointment as agents is enclosed. If you are agreeable to our terms and conditions, you may kindly sign and return the acceptance letter at an early date. Thanking you, yours faithfully.